Hi guys, welcome to my channel and open any browsers and type in the URL msci.com and then hit enter. After that you can see right inside search icon, just click on it, then enter the model number of motherboard MEG Z790 GODLIKE and then hit enter. Scroll down, you can see this is your motherboard and just single click. Then click to support, click on support. Then scroll down, select the driver download and then click on BIOS, select the driver, scroll down, select the operating system which is you require Windows 10 and 11 and both operating system installations process same. So first chipset. So this is download icon, just click to download. When you click to download it will start downloading. It will take some time and depend about your internet speed. Okay, and so guys download one by one all and then I show you how to install. Then audio driver. So this is Realtek SD audio driver and click to download. You can see MSI USB audio tools. You can install this also, but this is not required. Okay, and then select the LAN driver, internet driver, Ethernet driver, Wi-Fi driver, Bluetooth driver. You can say. So first, this is normal basic LAN driver. Click to download, and then click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. Then Wi-Fi driver. So you can see this is download icon. Same, click to download, and this is Bluetooth driver. Click to download. Scroll up and select. So all this is required driver. Okay, and it is installing. You can see in the download box. So it will complete. Then I show you installations process. So guys, after that some time it's completed, then you can see this is your required driver. Just click on full download history and after that click on this folder where it is downloaded. Okay, so first guys, you can install directly, you just double click. Otherwise you can extract one by one in same location and then you can install. Okay, so install directly, just double click to open, then VGA, and this is installer, double click. Then click to yes. After that loading the driver and then install. Wait few seconds to install. It will take some time and depend about your system's other configuration. And very simple, next to install. So this is installing. After that click on bring install. Now the checking the system configurations. After this is installed and then closest. Then this is the LAN driver, just double click to open this folder. and this is setup. Just double click to launch. And then click to yes. Now you can see this is preparing to install, and wait few seconds to installations. And then click to, and yes, after the installations, and then finish it, and then close. This is Intel driver of this. So double click to open, and require the all driver to install. This is a SATA drivers. So double click and just RSTLs double click, and then click to yes. This driver is not mandatory to require to your monitor motherboard. And then quit, and then close it. After that, this is audio driver. Just single click to open this folder, and find out setup.exe, scroll down, and just double click to launch. After that, require the administrator rights to click yes. Then next. Now this is installing the audio driver. Wait few seconds to complete. So audio driver installing. So it is installed. So no reset letter to finish. When it is all completed, then restart. So this is chipset driver. Just double click to open, and select this folder. To again, after that, double click to open, and this is setup chipset driver. So again, click to double click. After that, require the administrator rights to click to yes. Then next, accept, and then install. After that, click to yes. Now this is installing. So it is done, and then click to OK, and then close. So guys, all the install and then restart your system. Thank you.